Hello everyone, this is part 6 of a series of videos dealing with the VBC Racing Lightning FX. As you can see here, I'm working on the front end. I just want to point out some interesting features on the front end and also a few tips on how to build the front end so it operates nice and smoothly. Just quick on the features here, adjustable wheelbase. Currently I'm in standard wheelbase position, but you can move these screws, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and you can shift the wheelbase back so it is a narrower wheelbase for tight technical tracks. This plastic setup here, really unique because under the arm here it's keyed in, so you definitely get a nice strong fitment into the actual lower arm there. And you got these really cool looking carbon fiber, I don't know what you call them, little risers here, which prevent the steering block from going past its normal steering geometry, which is ideal if you're running F1. And the way that the lower ball is captured, it's really easy to adjust the lower ball. One thing you want to do is you want to make sure when you're adjusting it that you're not tightening the screw down too much, which will cause the actual pivot ball to bind. You want to make sure it's just set right. You don't want to make it too loose or the pivot ball will pop out under any form of impact. So what you can do, quite simply, I'll just do a little demonstration here. Apologies if the light changes here. I'm going to tighten her down. As you can see here, the pivot ball is not really doing much. But what you can do is just adjust the wrench and just start moving the pivot and start pivoting the ball around, and you will start to feel it loosen up. And then when you, yeah, that's really good. Once you feel that it's not binding whatsoever, there's no friction, then you're good to go. And that's all you have to do. Next is the control arm here. Now, the plastic molding is a little tight, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that the actual kingpin will slide through the plastic housing and through the metal. It will obviously slide through the metal, no problem, but through the plastic, when it comes out of the kit, it binds a lot. So what you need to do is take either a 3mm suspension arm reamer or a 3mm drill bit and just drill out the material from the arm here and here. All right, and once you've done that, you should be able to have the pin slide through like so, nice and smoothly. And what you could do is just to double check. You can just put the metal in there, and it should do the same, and you're good to go. And if you want to triple check, you can even put it through there, and there you go. No problems whatsoever. All right, so there you go. That's with the front end. You want to make sure that everything's all set up nice and smoothly, and that's pretty much it. All right, I hope that was of help. So yes, remember, this is a 3mm suspension pin, so you want to use a 3mm drill bit or a 3mm reamer if you have a reamer on hand.